Coming to you from my hometown of Spring, Texas, this is Jason's Texas Adventures, and I'm at a car show here in Spring. So let's check out a few of these cool cars here. They got a lot of classics too. There's some Chevy pickups for you, Chevy fans out there. There's a cool little hot rod right here. It reminds me of those little Hot Wheel cars we used to get and play with when we were young. Here's a nice 69 Chevy Chevelle SS. And a Chevy C10. This one's got a beautiful paint job on it. Check out this lowrider wagon. Pretty cool. Look how low this thing is. How low can you go? Here's a classic Mustang in mint condition. There's some photos here. Look at that. They must have restored this one. Well, I tell you, they made it look like brand spanking new off the showroom. And here's a much newer Mustang right here. Check out this beast of an engine. Wow. I believe this is a Mach 1. Over here they have this thing called the Thing. Pretty cool. I guess this is a Volkswagen. Check out the engine on this Corvette. This sucker is huge. Texas sized right here. And here's a newer Corvette. This is a Z06. Beautiful paint job on it. I spotted something over here. Let's go check it out. Yep, this is a Dodge Charger RT. For all of you Mopar fans out there. You gotta love American muscle. Over here we got some classic coupes. Yep, remember the days of chrome bumpers and chrome grills? This is a bright and shiny one right here. And we got another Chevelle SS. Check out the engine on this sucker. It's a 454 turbojet, 450 horsepower. Beautiful interior as well. This is a 46 Ford Coupe. They just don't make them like they used to. Here's another hot rod, and somebody's in here. Yep, it's a skeleton with a cigar. Pretty cool. Nice paint job too. Spotted another hot rod. Let's go check it out and see. It's a 1934 Ford 3-window coupe. Beautiful classic hot rod and muscle cars here in Spring. Take one more look at this hot rod, and I hope y'all enjoyed this tour of the car show in Spring, Texas. Remember, life's a journey. Enjoy the ride.